poem. Whispers of Wisdom. A ode to reading. In realms of ink and paper bright, a world unfolds, a pure delight. For in the pages, stories bloom, a magic key to banish gloom. With every word, a journey starts. In reading's realm, young minds are hearts. Through valleys deep and mountains high, imagination soars, reaching the sky. The written tales, a treasure trove, ignite the sparks of joy and love. Adventure whispers on each page, igniting minds, igniting sage. In letters dancing, secrets hide, a symphony of language, worldwide. Oh, sweet delight of written lore, unlocking wisdom, door by door. From fables old to futures new, reading paints the world in hue. In libraries vast or corners small, a sanctuary for minds to enthrall. So cherish books, both big and small, for in their tales, the spirits call. Let every child with pages meet, a lifelong love, so pure, so sweet.